Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, surrounded by sparkling rivers and golden forests, there lived a kind and brave little princess named Lily. Princess Lily loved exploring, helping animals, and playing with her best friend, a tiny talking squirrel named Nutty. One day, while playing near the enchanted woods, Princess Lily heard a sad little cry. She followed the sound and found a baby dragon with a thorn stuck in its paw. "Oh no," gasped Lily. "Don't worry, little dragon. I'll help you." Even though the dragon was scared, Princess Lily gently pulled out the thorn. The dragon blinked its big, grateful eyes and nuzzled her hand. "Thank you," the dragon said in a tiny voice. "My name is Ember." Princess Lily smiled. "Would you like to be friends?" From that day on, Ember, Nutty, and Princess Lily had wonderful adventures together, flying over rainbows, solving riddles from the wise old owl, and even helping lost kittens find their way home. One evening, a grumpy old troll trapped the Kingdom S Bridge and wouldn't let anyone cross unless they answered his impossible riddle. The king and queen didn't know what to do, but Princess Lily bravely stepped forward. "I'll talk to him," she said. With Nutty and Ember by her side, she approached the troll. "What has keys but can't open locks?" the troll growled. Princess Lily thought hard, then grinned. "A piano!" the troll groaned. "Fine, you win!" And with a puff of smoke, he disappeared, leaving the bridge free for everyone. The kingdom cheered for their clever and kind princess. King and queen hugged her tightly. "We're so proud of you, Lily." And so, Princess Lily proved that true bravery comes from kindness, quick thinking, and good friends. The end. Moral of the story: being kind and brave makes you a true princess or prince.